How to fix no audio output is installed in Windows 11 or 10. In order to fix this problem, what you can simply do is go to the search bar right here and search for Device Manager. Now inside Device Manager, we're going to work with two options right here. The first one, System Devices, and the second one, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. So first of all, let's go to our System Devices. Now after you open up System Device, then you should see something called High Definition Audio Controller, right? Right click on it and make sure you click on Update Driver. After you do that, click on Search Automatically for Drivers. Now if you see that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then what you can do is right click on it again and go to Update Drivers. Click on Browse My Computer for Drivers and then click on Let me pick from the list of available drivers. After that, click on the model right here and click on Next. After you do this, then your audio driver will start to be updated, which might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then go to this option right here, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Go to Realtek Audio because this is the default audio output for your computer. Click on it, right click on it, click on Update Drivers, click on Search Automatically for Drivers. Now if you see this option again, then right click on it again and click on Update Driver again. Go to Browse My Computer for Drivers, click on Let me pick from the list of available drivers and choose one of the model that is the recent one. So this is the recent one for me, right? So click on this and click on Next. And after you update these drivers and it still doesn't work out, then what you need to do is download an audio driver for your computer. In order to do that, go to your browser, search for Realtek audio driver, and either go to the Intel site or the Realtek's official site. So for example, let me go to Intel site right here, click on it, and after that, what you can simply do is click on the versions of what version you'd like to install, and after that, click on download, which will download the audio driver in your PC, which will solve the problem of no audio output is installed in Windows 10 or 11. So that's it. Hopefully I was able to help you out. Thank you very much.